In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Trezor to CoinLedger. Now, the first thing you want to do inside your dashboard, inside CoinLedger, you want to go to the Import tab top left, and then from here, you want to go to the bottom left where it says Add Account. Now, whenever you click on that, it's going to pop up a bunch of different things. You could search for Trezor, or you could just type it in up top, like this over here. As you can see, it's going to find it, and you want to click on Trezor. From here, it's going to give you three different options. The first one is going to be to upload a transaction history file from your exchange. So in case you have that, of course, you can click on here and just drag and drop on your file and you're good to go. Or you could auto import, which is by far the easiest way, or do a manual input in case you don't have any of the two options over here. We're gonna go with the auto import right now because I do think it's the easiest. So go ahead and click on that. And first it's going to prompt you to select your blockchain. So of course, if you've traded or used multiple blockchains, you can go ahead and select multiple different ones by clicking add over here. But for me, I'm just gonna go for Solana because I have some Solana transactions, some very small ones over here. And then the second thing you have to do, you have to paste in your wallet address for that specific blockchain. So for me, on my Trezor, I do have this as one of them. As you can see, it says I have this imported already. It doesn't matter because I have, yes, but I'm just going to demonstrate how to do this. And I could do add over here and add multiple if I wanted to. Now, whenever you do that, click on sync transactions over here, and it's going to start syncing the transactions over here. It's going to say auto import in progress right now. And whenever that's done, you'll see a list of your full transactions from your Trezor from that specific wallet. So there we go, there it is. There's just some very, very small amounts, as you can see. If any of them are mistaken, you could go ahead and click on the three dots, edit them, and you can just correct them. As you can see, these are very small, little less than 1 cent over here. I've done these just to show you how it's done. But basically, all of these have been done on my Trezor, and they've been added to my Trezor over here, as well as inside transactions. I can also find them, and they'll be labeled as Trezor. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.